Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Wix for free. This is a great way to give your website a professional look without spending extra money on domain connection fees. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From the options presented, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage all your Wix sites. Now you should see a list of all the websites currently associated with your Wix account. Take a moment to locate the specific website you wish to connect to a domain. This is important because if you manage multiple sites, you want to ensure you're working with the correct one. Click on the website you've chosen to proceed to the next stage. Once you're on the website overview page, look for a link named Connect Domain. This link is your gateway to setting up a custom domain for your site, so click on it. You'll be redirected to the domain connection settings page, where all the magic happens. This is where Wix allows you to link your existing domain or explore options for purchasing a new one. From here, the process becomes straightforward. Simply type in the domain you wish to use. For example, you might enter something like websitename.tutorialslab.com. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any issues later. After entering your domain, click on the button that says, Let's Go. This tells Wix you're ready to proceed with connecting this specific domain to your website. After clicking Let's Go, Wix will display recommendations below showing available domains you can purchase if you're interested. However, if you already own the domain you entered, you don't need to buy a new one. Simply click on the option that says, I own this primary domain. This step is crucial because it allows you to claim the website under your existing domain without any additional cost. Finally, to complete the connection, you'll need to verify that you actually own the domain. This is done by logging into your domain provider, whether that's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other service where you purchased your domain. Follow the verification steps Wix provides, which typically involve updating DNS settings or confirming ownership through your provider's dashboard. Once verified, your domain will be successfully connected to your Wix website at no extra charge. And that's it. You've now connected your domain to Wix for free, giving your website a professional, personalized web address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.